the new makeup kit, and I know I'm going to use them. Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have received my gift set from Chanel. I'm so excited, and I was so hesitant because there's so many options this year. And the packaging, so I got the holiday packaging wrapping. I usually always go for the cotton pouch option to be a little bit more eco-friendly. But I really wanted to have this bag for my little collection. And the bow, everything is just, the detail is just beautiful. And at the back of the bag, you have that Chanel embossed logo. So I picked up one of the gift set. I have to say though, this is a little disclaimer because I have been looking on different Chanel websites of different countries, and the gift sets are not all the same. So sadly, the one I wanted was the one for skincare with the Hydra Beauty collection, but it's not available here in the UK. So I went for my option number 2, that is the makeup option. It's the one with the mascara and the red lipstick, which I think it's called the Timeless. I think it's the Timeless gift set. I'm not sure about the name, but there's so many of them. My other option I was really tempted was the one with the bronzer and the mascara, or there is the one with the mascara, the eye pencil, it's espresso, and the mirror, because I think it's something that I would actually really be using. So I might ask my husband to get this one for me, since, you know, Christmas is coming. So I'm going to open this one, and I have also ordered a few samples. So they have sent the samples in a little separate bag. So I don't actually remember what I ordered. So I have, I picked up perfume for my husband. He always likes to try new perfume, so I always try and include him in whatever I order. And I have, the makeup remover, which when we're traveling, this kind of format is just perfect because I don't necessarily always wear makeup, and I feel like this just goes in my makeup bag when we're traveling, and it's perfect. It's the perfect size, and I can refill it and reuse it. And I do have a lot of them. Now, the package. So it opens like this, and there's a little pouch in the middle. Obviously, I am keeping this bag because I just think they are beautiful. Every year they come out with different bags, different logo. So this is going to go on my shelf here at the top. You're not seeing it now in the video, but I'll put a screenshot so you can see. I do have a few others, and I tend to keep the boxes that are worth being kept. So this is going to go on the shelf. This is this year makeup, the makeup pouch for the holiday gift set. So you have here on the side a little snowflake. I will remove the plastic because I don't intend to keep the plastic on. And so you have your little snowflake here on the side, and it's a zip at the top, then you open. And I love, so it's so soft, it's like that fluffy tweeded white with a little silver thread in it with the Chanel Beauté written on it, and it's really pressed and glued onto it. I know I will be using this pouch, it's just too beautiful. So inside I have, there's a big piece of cardboard that we don't need. And I have picked up the gift set with the mascara Noir Allure, so the black one, and it's the Allure collection. And the lipstick that is the Allure Rouge L'Extrait, so it's a high intensity lip color concentrate, radiance and care, and it's shade 854, and it's a refillable lipstick. I really think that, I feel like all the brands are now going for refillable product, whereas it doesn't matter if it's blush, bronzer, lipstick, eyeshadows even. I think it's such a good idea, and it's about time that the brands are just embracing that a little bit of a eco warrior mindset, if I can call it this way. So I'm really happy about this. So I went for this gift set because I wanted something that I can wear all the time. So I went for a lipstick and a mascara. I know I'm going to use them. These are just the classic shade, the classic items that you actually need in your makeup kit, and I know I'm going to use them. There was another makeup kit with the hand cream and just a lip balm, but I feel like for the price it was not necessarily worth it. There are a few options, and it really comes down to what you guys need, and if it's a gift, then it's a gift, and it's always nice to receive or to give. But if you're buying it for yourself, I think it's worth just sitting down and thinking, well, what do you actually need? I'm going later to Dior at the counter here because they do have a sale on skincare. My SCA just messaged me. And I know they also have the holiday gift set for makeup. I am very tempted to get the face set basically. So you have your eyeshadows, your blush, highlighter, and lipstick in all one big set. I'm gonna have a look at what they have for gift set as well, because Dior is usually really good for gift sets. So I'll let you know. But if I do get something, I'll make a video about it as well. So I'm going to open the mascara for you guys to see. So it's the same format as the normal product. So it's not bigger, it's not smaller, it's exactly the same format. The Noir Allure is the one that you press at the top. And the brush comes out like this. And I love this because this mascara, so it is jet black completely. It's not waterproof, but it gives you such a nice length. It really add volume to your eyelashes. It separates the lashes and it really coats each of your eyelashes. I have the same in a different color. This was the brown, it says orange brun, so it's kind of a brownish with a bit of orange in it. I think this is a great mascara to have as an everyday mascara. It's not necessarily like crazy volume, but it's easy to apply. It doesn't flake, it doesn't smudge. It really feels super hydrating on your eyelashes. So this is for me such a staple when you look at Chanel makeup. And I went for the Rouge lipstick. So as I mentioned, the Rouge Allure L'Extrait. So again, same format, nothing is different. And it's not a limited edition shade. So you can buy this all year round. It's just nice to have them together with the pouch. Again, so this is refillable. So you open it by pressing at the top. So same format. And you have your lipstick here. And I like this type of format because it's small enough to fit in a very small bag. If you have a nice event or a nice soiree and you have quite a small purse or handbag, it's just fitting perfectly on a little side. It's all snug in there. So, and it's meant to be a long-lasting lipstick, and it's a bold color, concentrated color, radiance, and care. So I'll swatch it on my hand so you can see, but it's just a really nice red. It's that universal red that is looking absolutely beautiful and gorgeous on each and every one of us. This is just a red that you have to have in your makeup kit. Honestly, if you don't have a red like this in your makeup kit, you're missing out, because this is just the basic red that you need if you want to have a red lip. That's the sort of red that you would put on. So I'll remove what I have on my lip now and try on the red. So there's the Black Friday coming up this week, and I feel like it's really unfair that you have such good deals when you look at tech items, household items, furniture, but yet there's never really any good deals on makeup. Sometimes you'll have like a 15 and 20%, but it's rarely, very rarely on high-end brand. You'll have a 20% on house brands or maybe more of a pharmacy brands, but I feel like there's a bit of a unbalance, or it's just not fair that, you know, the Chanel, the Dior, the Guerlain are I'm not gonna say never on sale or have deals, but that I've come across, extremely rare. So I feel like maybe, you know, it would be nice, I think, for the Black Friday or Cyber Monday, they call it now, or even Boxing Day, just get some deals on makeup. Right, so I'm going to try the red. I need a mirror, so I will open my mirror here. And I'm not gonna apply any lip liner, I'm just gonna go right on my lips. I've removed the lipstick I had on before. Oh, this is such a beautiful color. And it feels so hydrating on the lips. This is seriously one of the best rouge red lipstick that you can own. It is so nice on the lips. It's really comfortable to wear. It's not too creamy, it's not oily, it's not sticky. It feels really, really hydrating. You can tell there's a lot of skincare into it. So it's not gonna dry your lips and make them all cracked and flaky. Equally, it is long lasting, it's a bold color. The payoff is extremely good. But the minute you eat or drink, it will fade away because it's that satin finish, but it will stain a little bit your lips. And I'm saying this because when you apply it, if you're not sure if you struggle with your lipstick application, I would say apply it with a small lipstick brush, because if you go over and you leave it on your skin, it will leave a little red mark. So you'll have to use makeup remover, or you just go over and cover it with a little bit of concealer to really have a straight line around your lip. If that's something that you like, if you don't mind so much, then just take a little tissue and come and, you know, remove the excess. It's honestly, I think, the perfect color for your holiday look. Actually, this look that I'm wearing today, I would happily and gladly wear this for the holiday if we have any dinner or something. I think it's a little bit festive, it's not too much. You can wear pretty much any dress or any look, very easy to recreate. So as usual, I will put all the makeup product that I'm using in the description. Question for you. I feel like, so I've realized today that there's literally 35 days until Christmas or something crazy like this, 36, I don't know. Have you guys put your Christmas decoration already? I don't know if I'm too early or if it's the right time now. I'm traveling at the beginning of December. So I'm coming back in the UK on the 22nd. And I feel like the 22nd, it's too late to put the Christmas decoration, but equally, I'm traveling next week, so I kind of have to do it now. So anyway, have you guys put yours? I'm curious to know. I think I'm just gonna put mine on the weekend and kind of start being in that very festive and Christmas spirit. Anyway, I've got the makeup for it, so I'm already in the Christmas spirit, the holiday spirits, I should say. I have to admit, I'm extremely happy with my purchase. I might go and get at least one other gift set. First, because I absolutely love the pouch, and I think I could probably do with another one. Obviously, because it's white, it's not going to stay white forever. With makeup, you're always gonna have something that's going to smudge on it, sadly. But I think there are at least one other gift set that I would probably get for myself is the mascara, the eye pencil with the mirror, because it's items that I know I will be using. So I might just ask my husband to go and pick it up for me. Right, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Let me know what you think. Have you got any gift set? Are you going to pass on Chanel? Are you going to get some, or any other brands? I know YSL has some, Dior has some. I'm not too sure about the other brands. I have seen, I think Guerlain might have a few gift set as well. Obviously, you always have perfume. but I'm quite conservative with my perfume, I have to admit. I'm not necessarily a very big adventurer with my perfume. I like what I like, and I stick to those bottles. So let me know down below in the comments what you think. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the button down below. If you've liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.